guys, my name's Amber. Welcome to my channel where I do reviews and unboxings. I'm very new to YouTube, so if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. I will also be doing some videos about living in Hawaii soon, since I recently just moved here with my fiance. We moved to Oahu, so I do have some videos on helpful tips and tricks on how to initiate the moving process and move over to Hawaii, and then I'll also do some videos of just what it's like to live here as well. So let's get started. Today I'll be reviewing FabFitFun. I've been getting their boxes for about a year now, and I really like them a lot because they just give you a lot of variety in all of their boxes, from makeup to facial products to kitchen items. I got some really cute West Elm bowls that I liked a lot. I got a shower speaker in one of my boxes. I've gotten a beach towel. I've gotten clothing items like kimonos. So they just have a ton of variety. Everything is really cute and you get a lot of value. It's $49.95 per season, so you get winter, spring, summer, and fall. And then if you guys decide you want to sign up, I will have a link in the description below, and you guys can get $10 off your first box. So here we go. Let's see what I have in my spring box. Super cute box this time with the butterflies. I love it. Alright. Okay, so they usually give you some coupons in here when you first open the box. For example, here's a coupon for HelloFresh, which we don't have here in Hawaii, but I have used HelloFresh before and it's great. And then they also give you this magazine, and if you open the magazine, it will show you all of the product options that there were for this season. And then you can see the ones that came in your box and get a little description of them, and also see how much they're valued at. So normally in each season you are going to get a few options to customize your box. They'll give you about 4 things that you're going to get to choose, so they'll give you like 4 options. You get to see a cute little video of each one and then pick which thing you want in your box. I was actually in the middle of moving here during the customization process this time, so I didn't get to choose my items. So this time everything is a complete surprise. So we'll see how that goes. Alright. First item. Gravity. It's called Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. Wow, it actually does feel really heavy. That's interesting. I have a sleep mask, but I don't have a weighted one. I'm not sure what the difference is. Okay, so it looks like this. And it is definitely heavy. Let's see what it says in the magazine about it. Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. Catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. Okay, cool. I'm excited to try that out. I do like sleep masks, especially here in Hawaii when it's bright all the time. The weather's great, but yeah, we have a lot of windows in this house, so it's always bright, and my curtains don't block all the light. Alright, so next, okay, fast food. It says AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. That's helpful, especially being in Hawaii. Could never get enough leave-on conditioner here. Let's see what this one says. 5A. Dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. Yep, that will definitely be helpful for me. I love leave-on conditioners, so that'll be good. Okay, next one up is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. That's what that one looks like. And let me see. Can you guys see that? It might be blurry. Alright, and then let's see Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. Okay. It says use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. That's always good. All right. Ooh, Murad. So this is Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I love Murad products. Very high quality. They're normally out of my price range as well, so it's nice to be getting them in the boxes. That's what's nice about these boxes, is you'll get stuff that normally you would not want to pay full price for in the store. So it's nice to be able to get them in your boxes for a lot cheaper, and then you can try some new products out and see what you like. So that one says, formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. That's great. I'm in my 20s, but it's still always helpful to prepare for those wrinkles. All right, Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. That's an interesting name. All right, let's see what that looks like. Oh, it comes in a cute little tube. All right, mascara is always good to have. This one is called Winky Luxe Rainbow Balm. It's definitely in a little rainbow box. You can see that. That one says, give your lips a just been kissed flush of color with this tinted pH hybrid balm. And it looks like it actually might be rainbow colored. So it comes in this cute little tube. Oh my gosh, guys, look, it's actually rainbow colored. You can see that. That's pretty cool. That'll be fun to try out. What does it say? Universally flattering cherry pink shade, can be used on lips and cheeks, nourishes lips, and it's pineapple flavored. Well, that's definitely Hawaiian themed, but I don't plan on eating this. But maybe it smells like pineapple. Alright, next. Stone Cold Fox tea towels. Ooh, this will be super helpful since I just moved here. We don't have a lot of things like this yet. Ooh, these are really cute, and my whole house is kind of white and blue, so this is kind of perfect. That's really cute. It's actually really large. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I got cut off. My camera battery died on me, so now I'm on my phone. That's why the video looks a little different. So, to continue, these were the towels. They're super cute. It comes with two. And they're called the Stone Cold Fox tea towels. And then the last thing in the box is this. Let's see, what is this? It's called Donni Ribbed Sweater Coat. Transition into spring with this relaxed cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes. Ooh, this looks really nice. So that's what this looks like. I'll try it on so you guys can see. Let's see. Ooh, it's really comfortable, very soft, and it's pretty long. Really like this a lot. And it doesn't go all the way down to your hands, so it's kind of like a little more than 3/4, but it's really, really comfortable. All right, guys. So that is everything that I got in this box. Like I said, there will be a link down below, and you guys can use my link and then get $10 off your first box. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Aloha!